Hi, this is Rhonda. Today I wanted to come on here and show you one of my favorite tools for videos. So we all know that different platforms on social media have different requirements for how long you can post, right? So on Instagram stories, it's like 15 seconds. When you get into Facebook stories, it's about 20 seconds. So I'm going to show you a great trick. If you have a video that's longer, but you want to put that video in one of these places. So the app that I'm going to show you is called Cut Story. It's in that top left there. So I'm going to click on that. So Cut Story is this app, and it's super simple to use. And the great thing about it is, I'll show you as I'm using this, you can choose how you want this video to be broken up depending where you want to reuse it. So you could do it for multiple videos. So I am going to pick a video. So I'm going to do a new project. I'm going to go into my videos, and I am going to pick a longer video here so that you can see exactly what I mean. So let me see which one I want to pick. Something that's long enough but not too long so that this video doesn't take forever. As you can see, I take a lot of videos, right? Okay, so let's take this one. It's 1 minute and 15 seconds, right? So I'm going to add it in the bottom. So now my video is downloading. It's going to come up in the app. So once it's in the app, you can edit it if you want. You can add some music. So in the editor, you can cut things off, you can trim it, you can speed it up or slow it down if those are things that you want to do. Okay, then you can also do a layout. So how do you want this video? Do you want it the original size? Do you want to change it to a one-on-one? Depending what platform you're using, you can change that here. I'm just going to keep it original for here, but just so you know, that's all available for you. You can add music. You can add stickers. So if there's any stickers that you want to add, you can come in here. I'll put one on here just for fun. So I'll put that here. I'm going to flip it around a little bit and add that sticker. Okay, then let's see what else here. You can add a logo if you want. You can add text. So say for me, I want to add some text. I'm going to maybe put my website in here so that people are seeing it depending where I'm putting this video, right? Always good to have your website. Let me see 1 second here. Okay, so that's good. Fix it here so it's all showing in one place. I'm going to move it to the bottom so it's not interrupting with my video. Now you can decide where you want this. How long do you want this to show in your video, right? So let's do that. I'm going to stop it there. Okay, done with that. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom arrow here, okay, where it says that little circle with the arrow in it, and I'm going to hit that. So this is where you can pick the duration that you want for your video, depending where you plan on using it. So you can do all these and you can keep the video length without cutting. Say I want to use it on Instagram, it tells you it's 15-second clips. Or if you go on Facebook, it's 20-second clips. Reels are 30 seconds. TikTok is 59 seconds. So you can cut it however you want, depending what platform you're going to use it on. So I'm just going to pick Facebook, 20 seconds. And here it goes. It's cutting my video into 20-second segments for me. It'll just take a minute. And then what you're going to do is you are going to download each part, and it's going to come up into your photo library, into your video library on your phone device, wherever you're putting them. And you're going to have part 1. And when you go into add into your Facebook stories, you're going to load up part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So now as people are viewing your stories, it looks like one consecutive video. So this way, when you have a longer video, you can still utilize it in these shorter video platforms. So this little arrow here on the side with, in the black circle, that's where you can open it up. You can download, send it directly to that. I am not going to do that. I'm just going to hit that I'm done. And that's that. So that's how simple this feature is to use. So I hope this app comes in handy for you. Once again, it is free. It is called Cut Story, and I hope you found this video useful. Once again, you can find other things that I do online at successwithrhonda.com, and thanks for watching.